Hey Theta Network holder, so what's the price target of Theta Network in 2022, my brother? Absolutely, we clearly discussed about the Theta Network price target and this video, so kindly holder, before I get started this video, I have a request to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Every strict channel will update you, every strict channel will guide you. I am 100% sure to if you subscribe this channel, then you never lost, my brother. So let's get started. Theta Network price prediction to what's the target? This is possible to they will reach now or not, my brother. My friend, as you can see this time, the latest price of Theta Network is 7.77 USD dollar. I think it's near an 8 USD dollar. It's just an only hit, my friend, 8 USD dollar in a few days. So let's see, my brother, if we check out the more details about the change occurs. So what's the condition and then will moving. My friend, this is very bad news for all of you. To Theta Network in last 24-hour change occur will be negative because all crypto market is wake up from last 24-hour and all currencies is moving upward now. But you can see here Theta Network, one of the very bad coin to their fails down. I'm so sad to their fails down. But you can see here, my friend, the last 1 hour change will be positive now. So it's mean to Theta Network again starting moving upward now. My friend, if you check out the chart result, you can see this time 7.81 USD dollar is the latest price. So remember this, my friend, because this will be very important now. So my friend, this is the last 1 year chart is on the screen, and what's next, my friend, and in 2022, my friends, they will hit our target or not. Let's see, my brother. First of all, if you can see, my friend, this coin in the start of this year, my friend, you can see especially from last 5 months, this coin is starting moving upward now very fastly, and this coin is going to be viral now. So this coin is completely moving upward now, but definitely, my friend, you can see here when the coin starting moving upward now, the main reason is that, my friends, to hold it and investing more and more buy it now. So therefore a coin is starting moving upward now. But definitely, my friend, after a big jump, this every cryptocurrencies, this is the policy, my friends, to after this is, my friend, every cryptocurrencies moving in this process to when they take a jump, after a jump they face down, and after a phase they take a jump. So this time you can see absolutely after a big jump they face down, and you can see they again come down to here. So again the price come to 6 USD dollars. So this time, my friend, absolutely the 7.8 USD dollar, you know, my brothers, to the price. So it's mean, my brothers, to this time you can see they again hit 9 USD dollar, but again they face down. So my brother, our target is absolutely, my friend, 20 USD dollar, but 15 USD dollar is 100% I will give you guarantee, my friends, so they will hit, but 20 is a chance, my brother. So I cannot clearly tell this, my friends, to they will give you in 2022 just in only, my friends, 20 USD dollar. But I just share my opinion, my and my expectation is very good from Theta Network. So therefore I tell you, my brothers, to in 2022, my brothers, they will give you in just in only 20 USD dollar. So let's see, my brother, absolutely after this fails they take a very huge jump now. So good jump is coming soon now, holder. So you need, my brothers, to hold it, don't sell it, because, my brother, you know, to after a fail every graph frequencies take a jump. So therefore I am 100% sure to upcoming time Theta Network is going the moon now. Thanks for watching, holder. Please you also share your opinion in a comment box. This is selling time, holding time, or buying time. My opinion is please hold it. If you have any plan to invest for a long time, so hold it and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Subscribe the channel, like video, and press the bell icon for videos notification.